Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So we are doing a 2-week challenge of using rosemary and lavender. Okay, so I did a question on my community tab and you guys chose this. Okay, I put lavender and rosemary together, or only rosemary and only lavender. You guys chose lavender and rosemary, so I am here to do it with you all. Okay, so you need a clean jar, and this is my rosemary. Rosemary is really amazing for hair growth. So loves, study shows that rosemary helps to grow out your hair. It helps to strengthen your hair. It boosts blood circulation. It controls hair loss. It prevents scalp infection or irritation. Okay, it gets rid of dandruff. Alright, so when you add rosemary to your regimen, it's really amazing for your hair. Why for lavender? Lavender eliminates dandruff. It helps inching of the scalp, just same thing as rosemary. Okay, it prevents scalp inchiness and the rest. Okay, it also adds shines to your hair. So I just mix my ingredients together. Okay, these two are so super amazing for hair growth, and I'm going to allow this to infuse for 8 hours. After 8 hours, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so we'll start applying this on my hair. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing, leaving your beautiful comment. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section about this. Have you tried these two combo together? This is after few minutes and this is after 8 hours. I'm just giving you guys without light, with light. The water is a bit thicker. Okay, so I am going to strain this, and I will take you guys along in what I'll be adding together with this, because I don't want to just apply only the lavender water on my hair. Okay, I know it's an amazing treatment. Okay, but you just have to add other stuff to moisturize your hair as well. So keep on watching to the end, guys. So love, this is day 1 of me using this treatment on my hair, this hair tea on my hair. Okay, so along the line I was filming me applying this on my hair, but I didn't take you guys all through. Okay, but I found out that I have deleted the video from my phone. So because I was trying to create space for my phone was a bit full, so I was trying to create space in my memory card. So anyway, I'm going to apply this on my hair. I even show you guys when I was making the second batch of this thing. What I love about rosemary and lavender is that it did not smell. Like, my hair did not smell. It was still smelling fresh even after 5 days of having this tea. Okay, like the tea was still smelling fresh, but I just had to like throw it away and make a fresh batch, because I always say in my channel that after a tea is for 5 days, please, after 5 days, your 6th day, please throw it away. Okay, because it has over fermented. What are you putting again on your hair? So anyway, I'm just going to apply this all over my hair. After this, I'm adding my oil. This is a rosemary and clove oil. Okay, I'm just going to put it at the lines of my hair and also at the ends of my hair as well. So as I'm applying the rosemary and lavender on my hair, I'm using rosemary and clove oil on my hair as well. So this is how I achieved my fullness of hair. Like, you guys at the ending of the video, you hear me talking about if my hair grew or not. So please watch the video to the end. Okay, loves. So after rubbing the oil, I massaged my hair, and after massaging my hair, I plaited the ends of my hair. Then I'll tuck it in so that I don't have my hair does not rub on the bed or on my clothes. This is another way to retain hair length. Okay. So this was the second batch I did. So I didn't do much, and I'm going to transfer it in my spray bottle, and I used it on my hair as well. And after that, that was after using the second batch. Few days later, like after 7 days later, I will show you guys after I have lost my hair. Okay, so that was my 2 weeks. This was the second week. Okay, so after the end of the second week, I lost my hair. Hi guys, so I am done losing my hair. Sorry, I have blocked nose. This is the hair loss I have. Okay, and I did a length check. My hair did not grow, like it didn't add any length. Just did the same thing with my previous length check, and I did the length check off camera, so just did the same thing. But I noticed that my hair is a bit fuller, okay, and I'm having a lot of knots. I think it's time for another trim. I don't know, but I just want to update you guys that I'm done with my hair. Mixing rosemary and lavender is good. Listen, it might not grow your hair. Maybe your hair might be growing fast. I don't know. But for me, it didn't grow my hair, but it made my hair a bit fuller. That one I know I'm darker as well. So, but for the length check, I did that off camera. Like I like to do my length check off camera. If it is something that grows, then I'll bring it to the camera. If it's something that did not grow, I'll just leave it. So this is my honest truth, that it didn't grow my hair, but it made my hair fuller. It didn't give me length, but it gave me volume. Yeah, that's what I have to say. Sorry, I'm feeling this way. I'm beat down. My nose is blocked. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it, leave your thoughts and leave your comments. And yeah, so this is the hair done losing it, and time for a wash day routine, which I'll share in the channel. Okay guys, so stick around for that. All right, I'll see you guys later.